Okay, so this is going to be my first step in making almond creamer. I have 1 cup of raw almonds in there and 2 cups of filtered water. I'm going to let this sit on the counter for almost 48 hours, as close as I can. And every 12 hours I'm going to change the water, because the longer you let it sit, the creamier it will get. And what I want to do is I want to turn this into a coffee creamer. So I'm looking for as creamy a consistency as I can get out of these almonds. You can see they're already starting to plump up because I've had them in here, I don't know, 3 or 4 hours. So we're going to start with that, and I'll show you the results and whether or not it's good, it's bad, because we already know almond creamer in the store costs about $3 or $4. This is going to cost me about $1 because, and some time, because I got the almonds on sale for $4 for 4 cups. So it's $1 a cup, and that's what's in here. So we'll see what it becomes. Stay tuned. Okay, so it's been almost 12 hours, and as you can see, this is only showing 1 cup of liquid that came off of those almonds that I started soaking. I'm changing the 2 cups of water, which means they have absorbed 1 cup of the water so far. So I'm going to change it before I go to bed, and we're going to start again tomorrow morning. There's my 2 cups of fresh water. See you in 12 hours. It's actually been about 15 more hours, so I'm going to go ahead and drain this out and see what we've got. Because we were putting 2 cups in there of water. Let's see what we got. See how much they've swelled up a little. Okay, this time we still have the 2 cups of water. It's not as brown as it was the first time. So, as you can see, we still have the 2 cups of water back here. And I'm going to add 2 more cups of fresh water to this. And let it sit for another 12 hours. I do not believe that I'm going to allow it to go to 48 hours because I don't want them to go rancid. And 48 hours will be while I'm at work. So, I think I'm going to do that again because those need to be shaken off. That's kind of cloudy. I'm going to stir that up, and I'm going to put 2 more fresh cups in there. That's a little bit cloudy. Okay, so I dumped out that other cloudy one. I just didn't like the way it looked, and I'm going to add 2 more cups and let it go. Probably for, yes, that looks much better, much clearer. I'm going to let that go for maybe 12 more hours. I cannot let it go for the full 48 hours because it's just, I'll be at work and I won't be able to make my nut creamer. Stay tuned. Okay, so here we are back to our almond creamer. It has been 48 plus hours because I was at work today, so I actually have done, it has soaked probably about 52 to 56 hours. What I'm going to do is I'm going to drain this off, and I'm going to put it in my food processor. Look how much they have plumped up. Wow, they have plumped up so much. But I'm going to take it and I'm going to put it in my food processor. And I'm going to do it with 1.5 cups of water. And I'm going to puree it for about 30 seconds to a minute. And let's see what we get. Okay, so I've done it for about 30 seconds. You see that white right there? There's your almond milk. See how easy that is? What I'm going to do is I'm going to put, I do not have a nut milk bag, so I'm going to take a clean pantyhose and I'm going to strain it over here and pour it through here so that I can catch what has already been minced up in here. Now what I have in here is all of the meat from the almonds, and what you're going to do is you're going to take it and you're going to squeeze. It works much easier if you have a nut milk bag, but you see how easy that squeeze out? If a few pieces come out, the texture's not exactly as smooth as what you get from the store, I'm okay with that too. Okay, so this is the milk that I got off of it. Not bad. At this point, you can either leave it as is, sweeten it with honey or agave or sugar, put vanilla in it, whatever. It's really not super thin. It is thinner than what I thought it was going to be, but it's really not that bad because it does have a nice little coating to it. But again, it is a nut milk. Now, what was ground up, don't throw it away because we're going to take it, we're going to put it in the dehydrator, and I'm going to make it into almond meal. And when it's completely dried, I'm going to put it through my little coffee grinder again, and I'll use it in crackers or any place where you would want to use some kind of meal. I will use it in crackers or cookies or something like that. So I think I might just go ahead and do crackers with this. But I ended up getting 2 of them like this. It's not completely full trays, but again, I only did 1 cup of almonds. And there you go. Okay, so we put honey in ours, and if you were going to make this just into milk, you'd of course add the other half a cup of milk. I only did 1 cup and a half because I wanted it a little bit thicker, because I want to use it for coffee creamer or hot tea or something like that. So we just added the honey. You could add vanilla, yuck, but you know, to each their own. Or you can add any kind of flavoring that you like. We're just trying to keep it simple since this is, you know, it is what it is, and it's simple, raw, unfiltered, and yeah, give it a try. Let us know what you think. Hit like and subscribe and tell us what you think about it down in the comments. Have a great day. Coffee. Wow, it didn't take very much, did it?